gasoline. Finally dawned on me the time that I've spent shackled in these sheets. Said life inside these walls ain't doing nothing good for me. So I burned down that old brick house and I threw away the key. Headed west out to Montana, said I'm never coming home. Closed my eyes and gripped the wheel and let my chest say where to go. But I met God in Greenville County, upside down glass on the road. He said, boy, you never warmed up, you got used to being cold. So uptight, you wanna get back.